the electric toothbrush market in India has picked up and how every week new companies are releasing new toothbrushes in the market. And I couldn't be more happy as I'm a strong electric toothbrush advocate now. The last time I made a video about the best electric toothbrush in India, it was received very positively by all of you guys. So thank you for that. I honestly tried my very best to explain which is best at what price. But going by the comments, by the end of the video, it did become a little confusing for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to keep it very simple and tell you my top recommendations from all the toothbrushes I have personally used for some time. 3 things to remember before we start. Number 1, the toothbrushes are priced in the range of rupees 700 to rupees 2500. Number 2, the replacement brush heads are readily available in the market. Number 3, but obviously the cleaning performance is quite good for the price. Also, links to all the toothbrushes and their heads will be in the description down below. Let's start with entry-level toothbrushes. In this category, I'm going with the MIT 100 and the Kesmith Spark. Both are no-nonsense toothbrushes, come with a 2-minute timer, cord interval timer and micro USB charging. The Kesmith Spark comes in 2 colors and has an extra mode as compared to T100, but is also 100 rupees more expensive. The next category are mid-range toothbrushes and are slightly more expensive. Perfect for anyone who have been using electric toothbrushes for quite some time now and wish to upgrade without breaking the bank. For this, I'm going with the Kesmith Spark Infinity, the Gentle One by Tusk and the Agaro Cosmic Plus. The Tusk has a small brush head for better sustainability, while the Agaro Cosmic Plus and the Kesmith Infinity come with many accessories right out of the box, making them value for money propositions. Those were sonic ones, and for people who want to buy a rotating and oscillating toothbrush only, then the Oral-B Vitality 100 is their only option. The cleaning performance is quite good, just that it has a battery life of 1 week only. We move on to the last category, which is the most premium in today's video. In this category, I'm including Philips Sonicare 1100 and Stealth by Moral Company. Both the toothbrushes are fantastic when it comes to cleaning. Of course, Stealth has an advantage for having USB-C and more modes, but is also more expensive, but you won't go wrong with either. I really wanted to include the Realme M1 and the Realme M1, my first electric toothbrushes, and I absolutely love them. But the lack of replacement brushes in the market is a bummer, and sadly I've stopped recommending it to people. Nevertheless, this was my list of the best electric toothbrushes under rupees 2500 in India, which I have used. Drop a like if you found this video useful and consider subscribing if you loved it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy brushing.